The company sent me this wagon and I'm going to show you how to actually use it. We'll take off the outer surface that contains the bottom portion of the wagon. You fold it up, unfold it. Now this is really cool. You just unfold it like an accordion, push down on that middle part, and that wagon is locked into place. Now we can put the bottom part of the wagon in case you have a child that wants to sit in there. They will be in there comfortably and your items won't be tipping over because of that hard surface. The wheels in the front, they lock, and it's very easy to push down on them, and then you click those other pieces and they unlock so that you can start moving. So I've got my dog Rocco in here and he is enjoying a ride. We've got the seat belt here. I'm going to be removing everything and folding it back up to show you how simple it is. So we're going to pull up on that middle section, fold it back in like an accordion, and then we can put that outer section back on, and it has handles in case you want to carry it. And this has a pocket for that little pad to go into. The pad is soft. So here's a close-up on how to lock the wheel into place, and then you just click on that top button and it releases. This is just a close-up view of the wagon and how you can pull up on that middle piece in order to actually get it to fold up. With that seat belt also, it is adjustable. And the handle on it is really nice and smooth. The wheels are big. It has pockets on the front in case you need to store anything in there. And this would make a great wagon for kids or items or animals.